guys.
Hi.
Yes, and we're back again. Sorry guys, so I am driving at the moment. Probably not the best time to be doing this intro, but it's because we're excited.
Yeah.
We've got a special one for you guys today. It's very, very special. Now when I say today, for the next couple of days. I don't know at what point we'll be dropping off these videos. I don't want to call it a series because I feel like we're just gonna probably record and just make a bunch of different things out of this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be like, I don't want to spoil anything. I just don't want to spoil anything. I want to keep it a surprise. So, but once we drop this first one, then we will sort of make a series of videos out of that, I guess. We'll do it that way. But yeah, welcome to our channel, guys. My name is Andrew. I'm Drew, and this is Rayka. And together we're Ray and Drew, and we do travel content. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and follow us on our adventures.
Yeah.
We've just finished our Algarve adventures in Portugal, and yeah, so this would be quite interesting to see where this one takes us. As I say, guys, stay tuned. Yes, it's going to be a bit of a surprise for you guys. This is a bit of a bucket list item for us as well.
Yeah, it's a very exciting destination.
Yeah, it's one that we've been planning for quite a while, to be fair. Say nearly 2 years.
Yeah.
We'll give you a clue. It is a cruise, but it's the destination of the cruise, guys. The destination. Yeah. Yes, guys. Let's just leave you guessing. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. We're on our way to the port now. It's in Southampton. We're gonna pick up the cruise and we will start filming from there, guys. So yeah, see you in the next one.
See you.
Yes, guys, so we finally made it to the cruise terminal. Yeah, honestly, Iona is looking absolutely stunning. She's waiting for us.
It's just amazing when you see it and you're like, oh my God, you forget how big a cruise ship actually is.
I mean,
the excitement's coming in now.
Exactly. I mean, this is our 4th cruise,
and
we're still stunned by the sheer size of like.
I don't think you ever get used to it.
Yeah, it's honestly mesmerizing. Like, you see the depths of human ingenuity. Like, it's mad. I can't wait for us to jump on this one, guys.
And give you a tour around of everything. It's going to be so nice, so incredible. And the weather's just nice too.
Yeah. Well, the weather here is nice. We don't know what the weather will be like in where we're going. Wink, wink. You know what I'm saying? Still keeping it a secret. We can't tell you yet where we're going.
But when they find out when you put the tide on?
Yeah? We just, you know what? I just titled this when we went on the cruise.
Our first cruise?
Yeah. No.
Oh, well,
it's not our first cruise. It might be her first cruise. It's not mine.
Fuck off, just so you know.
But yes, guys, so we are looking forward to this. We're currently in line to go through the embarkation process. It's looking quite busy. I just quickly turn the camera around for you, but just look at that. In the past, when we've done our embarkation, it's not taking any longer than 30 minutes to an hour.
No, you know this one's going to be busy.
Yeah, but this one is looking to be quite busy. It's currently July at the point of this recording.
Boarding pass is that ready, please?
So at this point,
a lot quicker.
Yeah, we're not expecting this to be a cruiser. It's going to be extremely busy. Let's just be honest. But yeah, we're excited, guys.
We are.
We'll go through the embarkation process and then we'll start recording again, guys. Yes. See you in the next one, guys. Yes, guys. We are finally getting on. P&O Iona. I don't know if you guys can get out of the way, man. Let them see that. You guys see that in the background. P&O and Iona. Yeah, no, we're really excited for this one, honestly. As I say, we've been planning this for quite a few months now. So leading up to it, you could just imagine the build up every single day. And because you go on the website, they got a little countdown as well. We were looking at it daily, weren't we?
Yes, every day waiting and seeing what every stop is, what's on the cruise, what we're being offered. Can't stop but thinking about all the food and stuff and all the stop offs. Yeah,
to be honest, the embarkation on this was fairly quick. I think about 40 minutes from since when we got into the line. It's been fairly quick. One of our longest ones, I think, but still fairly quick when you compare it to, for example, being in like an airport terminal.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, we're about to get on the ship, so let's go see what it's saying. You know what I'm saying? It's so hot today. Jeez. Yeah. It's absolutely gleaming up. Right. Back to it. Just look at that. She's absolutely stunning, guys. She's absolutely stunning. We're nearly there, guys. Just a few more steps and we'll finally be on.
We'll be on paradise.
Yeah. Oh wow. Look at that. That is phenomenal. Woo. Good afternoon, you alright? Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Whoa. And here we go, guys. We're about to step on P&O Iona.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Oh, I think you gotta take yours. Find me.
No, bro, you come out.
Oh, both of you, yeah? Okay.
I need this one on me.
Woo. She's looking beautiful. Not you, babe.
Enjoy cruise. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
thank you so much.
Yes, please.
Hello, thank you. Wow.
Station you eat.
H.
Great. So that's the Aqua and Opal restaurant on this floor. You follow the corridor down and to make money to yellow hats will check you in.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much. Will they give us our cruise cards as well there?
No, so those will be outside your cabin door in and under.
Right, okay.
So as soon as you've checked in at the muster station, you can head straight to your cabin.
Okay, no worries. Thank you. Thank you.
So you'll have to get signed in.
Guys, we're finally on. We're finally on P&O. We're made it. Yeah, no, it is very exciting. I can't lie. So it seems that with this ship, you've got to go to your muster station right away. Yeah, from what we've previously been on, most of the time when you get on the ship, you can go to your room, go eat and whatever, and then you kind of have to do the muster station obviously as soon as possible. But it's kind of within your own time to do that. But here, I think they tell you to go straight. I don't know if it's always been like that because we've been on P&O Aurora before, and that's how I sort of remember it being. Oh yeah. Babe, first impressions of the ship.
It's beautiful, it smells nice.
Yeah, it smells really good. It smells fresh. It smells really fresh. Yeah, but we're at the muster station now, guys. You see that muster station? H. Yeah. It says H right there, so we're definitely the right one. Yeah, they're saying something. I can't hear what they're saying. So, from what I've been told, you just need to show up and then go watch a video, and the rest is good. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna skip this little part for you guys, and then we'll probably talk to you when we're in our cabin. Bye. Yes, guys. So we're finally in our room.
We've made it.
Made it, yeah. As I said, embarkation wasn't too long. Roughly about 40 minutes or so from the point where we lined up to where we got onto the ship. But yeah, we're really excited. As I said, we're keeping the destination a secret. We're not actually going to get to our destination up until Monday. So currently it's Saturday at the time of this recording. Sunday is basically just a cruising day on the ship. So yeah, it won't be till Monday that you guys will find out exactly where Obviously for you guys, you're not gonna really see that, but like, you know, for us, we have to wait till Monday to reveal where we're going. Yeah, but yeah. Sorry, baby.
I was just gonna say, right now we're just gonna settle in, get something to eat.
Yeah.
And then just take a moment.
No, that's literally it. Like, we're tired, very tired. I spent the past 4 hours basically driving, trying to get us here, and then we had to jump on the Uber. It wasn't clear of that we were in the right place when we pulled up to where we were supposed to be parking. We used a third-party parking service, and they just wasn't the best in terms of communication.
No.
But yeah.
No. If they communicated, that was just it. It was just communication, but everything else they did was actually okay.
Anyway, that doesn't matter. We're here now. We're gonna go get some food and then start planning the rest of our night. Our first evening on P&O Iona. Yeah. So yes, guys, stay tuned.
Hi guys. So we're now at the Coral restaurant. We sort of skipped over when we went for food earlier. We were just really tired of travelling. We drove nearly 4 hours to get to Southampton today. So Andrew's foot was hurting. So we just thought, we went and got some food, and then we just relaxed and fell asleep in the sun basically. And then we headed up to the room, watched a movie, and now we're here at the Coral restaurant after freshening up. So I just wanted to show you what we have today as our starters. I ordered lamb samosas, and Andrew ordered, I can't remember, it was black pudding and pork something. I really can't remember what it was, but it just looked very nice. So we'll just get a shot of that, and we'll add.
So guys, we've had a long, fun but exhausting day because we've had to drive, we've had to wait in line. So much has been happening.
It's been a very long day.
Very long day. But we've been through the embarkation process, and we're finally on the P&O Iona. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it a night for us. We went down to go watch the football match. I started dozing through it. I couldn't keep my eyes open. It was 0-0 when we left, because we basically left at half time. And we actually found out they can watch it on our cabin TV, which is good. So which means going forward we can just stay in our own room, because we struggled to find a seat in the bar area.
So many people trying to watch the game.
Exactly, yeah. I mean, it would be fun, obviously, to watch it with everybody else, but I'm not going to stand up for a full 90-minute match.
No.
But yeah, France and Paraguay were playing, and we just thought, you know what, like, let's get involved and go watch it with everybody else, and end up just standing there. But yeah, as I say, it's been a very, very long day for us. Not for you guys, obviously. You guys are watching everything in summary. There'll be so much more that we'll be doing on this cruise, and as I say, we are keeping the destination a surprise.
Yeah.
And you guys will find out in the next video or two, depending, because this is day number 1 basically done for us. But yeah, babe, what's been your thoughts so far getting on the P&O Iona?
It's been great. It's been nice.
Yeah.
Still taking it all in.
Yeah.
You forget how big the ship is when you're like on your own floor.
They're
you're trying to get somewhere. You're like, you're on the front, on the back, the middle. Just trying to figure it all out. But it's great.
Our room is sort of like turned off the damn mic. Give us a second, guys. Technical issues. I clicked the little button on the mic. Yeah, we're still unprofessional, aren't we, guys? It's probably still picking up the audio. It's just not gonna sound great, so I'll try to fix that. But yeah, we're back on, guys. So our room is sort of like mid-back. So sometimes when you're at the front of the ship and you're trying to walk all the way back to your ship, you feel the distance. You genuinely feel the distance. So
you do, especially at night time when you want to get back to
sleep. When you're tired and you just want to go back to sleep. It can be a bit of a trek. But yes, guys, let's close off this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. And yeah, just stay tuned for our next videos, because as I say, this is going to be maybe a little mini series, just as we did with the Algarve series. Or we might just sort of like post a few videos here and there of different things we're going to be doing on this cruise. So yeah, anyway guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.